Welcome back, everybody. Now we're going to take a look at the half-wave rectifier in our system, and we're going to take a little bit of a peek at what makes it a half-wave rectifier, what's going on exactly. Before we get into anything, I just wanted to mention the time base, the voltage, and the trigger are all the same. My time base is 5 ms, my voltage is 10 volts, and my trigger was set to 0 volts. I've raised it up ever so slightly, but it's not really a big deal. Just kind of adjust it, ballpark it, and you'll get a good reading. First of all, what is a half-wave rectifier? Well, we're going to be turning a sine wave voltage into one direction. It's only going to be in the positive direction, and we'll see why a little bit later on in the lessons to come. Traits of it. What makes it so special? Well, it's the simplest one to make, but with that being said, it is the least efficient. That's okay though, because we're going to observe the signal on either side of the diode to see what makes it different on either side. I'm going to explain why. And the negative side is going to be our half-wave rectification. That's going to be that side right there. I've already gone ahead and I've wired it up on this side. So if you haven't, that's okay. You can pause the video and use mine as an example, or there's the schematic right above this video. Now, first of all, our wall plug goes over here to point A, which goes to our power supply. Okay, so from our power supply, we are going to go straight across on the terminal to the left here into the diode. Now, from the diode, we are going to go over into the resistor, which will be our load, and then back to ground for 15 VAC. Now, unfortunately, we're not using this last prong for this one, so he's going to be a little bit sad, but that's okay, because we're going to use it in the next one, and you're going to see why everything ties together. So, here we go. We got everything all set up. Make sure that it's all wired properly before you turn it on, because if these two short out, it's bad news. It's no good at all, because there's nothing protecting it. So here we go. Double checked mine right there. It's good. Bam. We are on. So I've got my two ends here, and as we can see, comes up on our negative side on the resistor, and then we are going to take our positive side and put it on the positive side of the diode. Now, you see we got our cool sine wave there. You're like, that's awesome. I've already had that before. So take it and put it on the other side, the negative side, and bam, right there, that is our half-wave rectification.